Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Mount Abu. Today's our topic is concentration and concentration units. The concentration is related to solution. So we can say today's our topic is concentration of solution. So first thing is, what is solution? You all know that the homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances is called solution. So solution include two things, solute and solvent. The substance which is present in lesser amount is called solute, and the substance which is present in greater amount is called solvent. Or generally we can say the substance which is dissolved is called solute, and the substance which dissolves the other substance is called solvent. For example, if we have salt in water, so here when salt is dissolved into water, salt is solute here and water is solvent. Next thing, concentration or concentration of solution. It may be defined as the amount of solute which is present in given amount of solvent or volume of solvent. It is ratio of solute in a solution to either solvent or total solution or volume of solution. So the concentration can be expressed as amount of solute divided by amount of solvent or volume of solution. Next thing is concentration units. You can see there are mainly three types of concentration units. The first one is W by V or weight by volume, and second is weight by weight, and third is volume by volume. What is meaning of weight by volume units? The concentration unit in which the amount of solute is expressed in terms of mass or number of moles, number of gram equivalents, or number of gram formula mass, and the amount of solvent or solution is expressed by their volume is called weight by volume unit. There are further three types of weight by volume units: molarity, normality, and formality. Second is weight by weight units. So you can understand that the amount of solute and the amount of solvent both are expressed in terms of their mass units. So there are following types: molality, mass percentage or weight by weight percentage; mole fraction, ppm, that is parts per million; ppb, parts per billion; and last one is volume by volume. So it is expressed as volume by volume percentage. So first thing, what is molarity? The number of gram moles or moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution is called molarity. So basically it is number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. So we can find out the molarity by following formulas. You can see these all formulas. First one, molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter, or molarity is equal to W by capital M into 1 by V, where the W is mass of solute in gram, capital M molar mass of solute, V is volume of solution in what? Liter. And if the volume of solution is not given or solvent is not given in liter, it is in milliliter, then we use this formula: molarity is equal to W upon capital M into 1 by V in milliliter into 1000. Actually, we have to change the volume, which is in milliliter, into liter. So we can understand one simple numerical. The question is 4 gram NaOH is present in 100 ml of water. Calculate the molarity of solution. So by this numerical you can understand here NaOH is solute and water is solvent, and the volume of solvent or solution is same, that is 100 ml. So here volume V is 100 ml and the mass of solute or NaOH is W is equal to 4 gram, and the molar mass of NaOH is 40 gram per mole. So we use this formula, molarity is equal to W by M into 1 by V into 1000. We keep the values here. W is, that is 4 gram, and the capital M, that is molar mass of NaOH, is 40, and the volume of solvent is 100 ml. When we keep this value and solve this one, so we get the answer, that is 1 M. Thank you. Students, some students are not able to understand the topics. Maybe they said that due to my fluency or speed. So actually I want to try to solve your problem. I want to decrease my speed. So if you have some problem, then you can call personally. I will sort out your problem definitely. Thank you very much. We will continue the topic in next period. Thanks.